Hi friends, I have another question of the day, and the question of the day reads, do heavy balls bounce? Okay, hold on one second, because I do have a heavy ball. And this is a yoga ball that I showed you in one of my other lessons, and let's see if it bounces. Sorry, couldn't see that, so I'm gonna do it a little harder. And it does. And this has a lot of air in it, so it's not extremely heavy, but it's heavier than, let me show you, than this ball. See here, I'm just holding it with one hand and my fingers. So this ball is heavier than that ball. Alrighty, see you later.